Hello guys, it's me, Louisiana State Rail fanning it. A Bnsf train's coming. Yeah, let's see what it is. We checked in the yard. There might be 4 engines, maybe more. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe less. I don't know. But let's see. Yep, Bnsf. Number 5985. Hornshow. Number 5985. 3960. And 7180. So those numbers. Hopefully my video doesn't end. I want y'all to see the whole train. So has a lot of tankers on it. I don't even know if it's a short train or not. I think it's switched in. It used to have 4 engines, but I guess it took off one because at the yard we saw a train with 4 engines and it was ready, so I guess it just took off one. Hopefully my video doesn't end because it's gonna be pretty sad. It's not gonna be a fail though, but if you see most of it, then it's not a fail seeing the train. The sun is bright today though. Yep, some different coaches right there. I think it just hit 1 GP probably, definitely actually. So hopefully this train is kind of short. Oh, the end right there. Yep, the end. Yeah guys, that's it. See you